Would you trust AI to tell you if your food is safe to eat? Every year, millions suffer from foodborne illnesses, but AI is changing that. From detecting bacteria to preventing contamination, let's explore how artificial intelligence is revolutionizing food safety. Make sure to subscribe for more AI and food science content. Food safety is a global issue. Did you know that contaminated food causes over 600 million illnesses worldwide every year? Bacteria like E. coli, Salmonella, and Listeria can spread easily in food processing. Traditional food safety inspections are slow and rely on human testing, which can miss hidden contamination. But AI is stepping in to change everything. AI is now being used to detect food contaminants faster and more accurately than humans. Here's how. AI vision and machine learning. Smart cameras scan food in real time to detect mold, bacteria, or foreign objects. Example, Tomer Food uses AI to sort contaminated food. AI plus spectral imaging. AI analyzes light wavelengths to find invisible contaminants like toxins in fruits and vegetables. Smart sensors. AI-powered gas sensors can smell food spoilage before humans can detect it. Example, IBM's AI system detecting food freshness. Food companies are also using AI to make factories safer and more efficient. Here's how AI is transforming food processing. Automated food inspections. AI-powered robots check thousands of food products per hour. Example, Nestlé using AI for quality control. AI-powered robots. Robotic arms with AI detect and remove unsafe items from production line. AI supply chain monitoring. AI tracks food from farm to table, preventing contamination outbreaks. Example, Walmart using AI to monitor food safety. Even after food leaves the factory, AI is making sure it's safe for consumers. Smart refrigerators and AI sensors. AI can detect temperature changes and spoilage in supermarkets. Example, Amazon Fresh using AI-powered grocery tech. AI-powered food labels. Dynamic expiration dates change based on freshness instead of fixed dates. Example, Mimica touch labels. AI in restaurants. AI tracks hygiene, predicts food spoilage, and even checks if employees are following food safety rules. Example, AI cameras in McDonald's kitchens. So, what's next for AI in food safety? Predictive AI. AI will soon predict food safety risks before they happen using big data. AI plus blockchain. Secure tracking of food from farm to table to prevent contamination. AI-powered home kitchens. Smart kitchens that analyze food safety before you eat. AI is not just a future. It's already here, making our food safer every day. Would you trust AI to check your food for safety? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video interesting, hit like and subscribe for more AI and food tech content. See you in the next one.